Give me 54 seconds, and I'll change how you see your life. You're not stuck because life is hard. You're stuck because you keep waiting. Waiting to feel ready. Waiting to feel motivated. But here's the truth. Motivation doesn't come first. Action comes first. You don't wake up motivated. You become motivated after you start. Every second you wait is a second your future gets delayed. Most people stay stuck because they think too much and do too little. Stop overthinking. Start moving. You don't need a perfect plan. You don't need confidence. You need discipline. Small steps, done daily. That's how momentum is built. So stop waiting for motivation and become the person who takes action anyway. Because in 2026, the only thing that matters is this. Did you start? Thanks for watching. This is Actually Productive, where discipline beats motivation and consistency builds real results. Subscribe if you're ready to improve quietly. See you in the next one.